Get it on? When it's strapped, it'll be easier too. You can wait till we start going, or whenever you feel you need it down. Cause watch. If you want, step here and then throw your leg over. Then put your feet. What's up, everybody? StevoFS here. How are y'all doing today? I'm doing fantastic. Thank you very much. As always, for asking. Y'all are great. Well, today I am riding with the middle child, as I call her, Morgan. We're gonna run over to my buddy's house. Gotta check his brakes, brakes on his bike, the one that's behind me here now. And then once we're good there, she's gonna hop on his bike. We're gonna ride out to the hammock, golf hammock, and probably let her jump in the river. We'll hit one of the roads that are out there, and then whatever first, just swim or ride, one of the two. Well, we're almost here to the first stop to check the brakes, and then we'll be off for a little ride. And I'll show you the golf hammock. Spookiness. Don't go there at night. You'll never make it out alive. Find my friends again. I said I wanna have good times, good times. Alright, we're off to our next stop. I think it's the hammock. I guess we're making a pit stop at the gas station. He probably needs gas. Alright, well, let's get this gas.
I'm scared. No, every time you went fast, I went
So this is like first into the test ride for. Good? Okay, like I say, this is pretty much like a test ride for to see if she's really into bikes. I don't want to start putting money into something that she ain't gonna like riding. So I figured I'd put her on my bike, the bike with my buddy. He has more ride time with a passenger and more ride time on motorcycles than I do, and I feel a lot safer with her on there. So he's taking her and I'm following. I can feel those drops in my window pane, lets me know that I haven't been on this corner in a long time. It's sweeping. Oh shit, deer. That's what's not good about riding out here. We got deer, and I believe it's hunting season, so they're running to their hide spots so they don't get killed. But we gotta watch out for that trash. That would not end well. And I wonder if she's seen them, probably scared the shit out of her. If she wants to ride bikes, let's get used to and deal with and get some reaction time to it. So how young is too young to start training kids to ride? She's 10. I took her on one ride when she was 9, so hopefully she likes it and get her into it. And I'm gonna try to get the baby into one too. I think now we're getting to the more of a swervy roads. We're really gonna watch out for the animals out here. So no hands. Just get hit by a bug. Looks like dirty the camera. Y'all can't see all the goodness. I had another camera I was gonna hook on when we got up here, but I guess I forgot to put another screw in. And then when I got to the gas station, I noticed it was about to fall off. So luckily I caught that, or I would be down the camera. I never use it though. Here's the Hero 3, and I don't know. It seemed to me that I could get the same quality as I'm getting with my other cameras. I know it's older, but I don't know. We'll see. Maybe one day I'll get it right. Dumbass in a truck trying to block the road with a fucking kid on board, you fucking douche. He's looking. Not too much further, and then we're good. Want to take the back way because we want to take the major highway with all those traffics going super fast around her, probably freak her out. So we decided to take the back way, so we We just barely have to get on the main highway. You know, fire, so don't scare her too much, you know. We're nice sometimes. There they come. There they go. Oh, damn. What is going on here? What are we doing? Okay. Oh, they tore it down? They tore it down? There was like a gas station right there. They tore that shit down. Damn. Alright, come on. Let's go, car. Let's go, car. And there's the hammock post office. So, I think we probably lost the car. As long as she just follows the road, I think our turn's somewhere up here, somewhere right here. Yeah, let's wait right here for her. Oh, okay, there she is. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Might be dinosaurs out here, you never know. Fucking alligators. Kind of like a dinosaur. Oh, it's way better than when it was like raining literally every day for like 2 or 3 months down here in Florida. This place was flooded. It was terrible. It was nasty. The road was covered. Hopefully the waters went down so it's not like a swamp out there. If she wants to swim, so we'll let her do that, and I'll show you guys where people go to die. The hammock. Ask anybody about the hammock, they'll tell you. Oh, I went the right. I went the right. Oh, I shouldn't have went that way. That's why he went the other way. And by the way, this is like a little hunting camp type thing, you know. So it is like some wrong turn shit.
I am butting it, but I didn't do it.
High five. You have fun? High five.
Besides when you were like,
High five. High five. High five.
you kept like swerving in the middle of the road.
Is it fun?
No! Not when you were swerving.
Just jump in. It's not bad.
No, it's disgusting.
It's not disgusting. Just don't touch the bottom.
Grab your helmet.
Give me my helmet. Let me make sure I don't have
Be careful. It's going to be hot, Calvin. No, you don't need to unbuckle it. Look, pull it all the way forward. And look, when you go to put it on, look, hold it like this. Look, I'm trying to show you. Okay. Hold it like that. I'm just trying to show you how to do it.
Steven!
What?
Oh, my gloves are hot. My gloves are hot. Oh my gosh.
Did you loosen it up?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Well, we switched bikes. She's gonna ride back with him on my bike, and I will take his bike back. Okay, so we gotta make it out of here. Oh, dying. Ooh, get used to this bike. It's totally different than my bike. Oh shit, I think I took the wrong way. Ooh. I think she likes it. I think she likes riding bikes. Just need to get her some proper gear.
Sometimes I want to run away, to find good times again, to find all my old friends.
I'm gonna pee, but dude, I can't do it on your bike. It's like too much on my back.
Oh, I noticed it coming out. She's like a lot higher up with that one.
It's like, it's killing my wrist.
Alright.
That's all. She's like, she's not used to it, so she's not supporting her own weight.
Right.
The overweight on me and on your bike, she's just leaning so much weight on me.
Yeah, you can feel a lot more.
It's not your fault. I'm just saying, my bike, we're not as angled down as much. And I have to pee, so let's go switch that. It's a lot more, like, I mean, you can see.
Yeah, well, exactly.
But she's like, dude.
Up on it.
It's killing my wrist. I'm like, I can't do it.
I thought that just...
Because my hand kept getting squished.
I know, because all your weight's on me.
Well, I was trying to go like
Look,
this.
you did good. You did good. High five. You did good. High five. High five. You did good. It just hurts. We're
Yeah.
on my bike. We're going to go back to my bike.
Exactly.
He goes too fast. And like when he's going really fast, I like try to like look down to see in the mirror, see what's behind me. And I'm like, I can't move my head. And when he goes really fast, I feel like the helmet's just gonna go.
It's all the drag.
Hold on.
How fast you think you went?
I don't know.
Guess. Well, you gotta guess something.
50. I don't know.
50? We went 120. You just got good tires, so.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let's put it on.
Nothing, mine's not safe. It's not as safe. Wait, I think I got us up to 120 when I turned right.
Right.
That's probably when you felt like you're on. It's not gonna fly off. Look, that's why you got the strap.
Yeah, keeps it on.
That's why you got the strap.
Ow.
My leg must have hurt my leg. It's been a while since I carried anybody.
Yeah. Well, I know, yeah.
Usually when, analyze, now she's right there on.
Exactly.
So I
Wait,
think my leg
that's
muscles
our
are already. Huh?
That's our bike?
What do you think the red bike is?
Yours?
Well, it's mine, but it's hers too. That's basically her bike. The black one's mine, and the red one's hers, but she rides mine, and I ride hers too. We ride them both. We share them. That's what you do in your relationship.
You did it?
Nice to the other person. You help?
No, I got it.
Who do you think drew all this stuff on this helmet? No, it's her. She drew it. That was her helmet.
Be kind to animals.
Be kind to animals. Real love Honda. Alright, ready? Put your jacket on.
Oh, put your jacket on.
Run away. To find good times again. To find all my old friends. Run away. To the nearest place where I'll find all my old friends.
Bugs? It's gotta be bugs. Oh shit! I'm about wrecked. Get on the road. Oh, that was scary! That was scary! Oh, we're off the road there. We get back on. Get a little sideways and squirrely. Oh, that was fun. That was fun.
I can see this city through my watered eyes. Lets me know that I'm still here.
Kid like the bikes, he was checking it out without trying to look. He was.
I'm still here. Sometimes I want to run away. To find good times again.
Oh, about back to the bouncy roads. Oh, almost back to his house, and then we'll see if she wants to ride back home with me or if she's gonna ride home with Mom. Probably gonna ride home with Mom, but we'll see. We'll see.
Ready now?
Yeah, you ready? Later. Trying to make it down this little dirt path here without wrecking. This driveway, I hate it. It's like rocky and dirty and a hill. The motorcycle. And she like slides forward, pushing all her weight on me. Well, I think she enjoyed the ride, guys. And hopefully we'll do some more of this kind of stuff riding with her. Gotta get her some proper gear. Some stuff that's actually right for her size and everything. Find out where I can get that, and I will get her some. We'll be doing this a lot more. And eventually, when I can afford it, I want to get her a little motorcycle, a little dirt bike, something small, maybe a pocket bike, mini bike, something like that, so she can ride. Dirt bike would be nice, especially. Oh, I could get one too. We can ride together. We're on our way home now, guys. Thanks for joining us on this nice ride in this beautiful Florida weather. This actually was not that bad. It was pretty good for Florida. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you didn't, hit it anyways, because I love you guys, each and every one of you guys. So go and hit that like button for Morgan, hit it for Morgan. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you guys will be notified when my fantastic videos up, because they're fantastic. God damn it, yes they are. And for all you beautiful people that have been with me forever, I appreciate it. You guys are great. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you, and as always, peace, love, and unicorns, and I'll see you on the next one.